Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch that reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies today. So, Capricorn, in your circumstances, you may have a lot of challenges you are facing. Circumstances are challenging you, or it may be some important decisions you are making. You lack clarity, you are quite confused about something. So, you don't know what will work well. So, you have something making you quite anxious or stressing you. And you are someone focused on your goals and plans. So you're working hard, trying to make the right choices today in your career, or it may be your energy in this relationship. So you are trying to do the best, trying to make the right decisions, and situation is challenging you. You may see a lot of difficult circumstances. It may be the way this relationship is. Maybe there may be some argument, some misunderstanding. Maybe even this person wants a beautiful, harmonious relationship. They are also trying for that. But maybe there is something missing in the way you communicate your feelings and emotions. So, with these cards, I feel that the problems in your relationship may be because of lack of communication, or because you are so different from this person. Maybe they are voicing out their emotions and feelings, and maybe you have some inhibitions. Something is holding you back from telling them what you truly feel, or telling them what you truly want and what are your expectations. It may be because of your past, some difficult circumstances you faced in your past connection. That may be the reason you are worried that if you just voice out your emotions, maybe this person may get hurt and they will move out. But today, with these cards, I feel that whatever troubles, lack of communication, or maybe some misunderstanding, whatever it is, everything is changing. This is not the end of this relationship. So, you both are going to find a beautiful understanding. Maybe this person will talk to you, they will, maybe they have realized their mistakes. They want to say sorry, make amends, or it may be your energy. So you have, or you are saying sorry, making changes today in yourself emotionally, going to this person, apologizing for whatever has happened, and you are mending this relationship. So beautiful changes are happening today, Capricorn. So though you would have faced a lot of difficult days, from now on, positive changes are what I see. That is going to give you hope, and hope for a brighter future of this love. So for your relationship, we have Scythe. So your difficulties are definitely ending and you are seeing a new beginning. So whatever was not working for you is coming to an end. All that misunderstanding, arguments, whatever your circumstances were, Capricorn. So let us see what is the card for your career. It's clouds. So in your work circumstances, you may be a little confused about what choices to make or what decisions to make, but you will see clarity today. You will know what to decide. So there is a huge change coming in your career circumstances also, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it says Bluebeard, Taboos. So in your circumstances today, you may be really close to someone. It may be the person you love, or it may be a friend of yours. But this person has a lot of secrets, and maybe you are curious to know more about this person. You want to find out more information about them because you feel that they are not telling you the truth or they are not being honest with you. But the truth they are hiding may be dangerous to you, may be dangerous to this relationship you have with them. But you need to be curious. You need to find out about them because this relationship, if it holds a lot of secrets, these are not good secrets, and you cannot forgive this person for whatever they are holding from you. So there are certain things that are happening in this relationship between you both. There are a lot of difficulties, a lot of emotions or feelings you are hiding or this person is hiding from you. And it may be quite dangerous for them to reveal the truth because they are afraid that they may lose you. But you should be close to this person only if you have a complete understanding. If you do not have a complete understanding about them, you should take a step back and you must listen to people who are close to you, your friends or family members whom you trust and whom you know for sure are really concerned about your welfare. So you must trust to their ideas and suggestions. Maybe they will be able to see things that you are not able to see clearly about this person, about this love. So you must respect their suggestions, listen to it. That is going to help you today. So that is the energy here with this card. And whatever secrets are being hidden from you, today all those secrets are coming out for sure, and you will know the truth today in this relationship. So that is the energy here with this card for you all. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have come to the edge. So with this card, The energy for y'all is that this may be the time for you to take a risk. It may be for something beautiful. Maybe when you are having some inhibition to be close to someone, when you are holding something, holding your emotions or feelings not to be revealed, and you don't want to be really intimate with anyone because you are afraid that they will know your true heart. But taking that risk is going to help you. Only when you build a relationship on truth, it is going to last forever. So it is necessary, it's important to speak up, to tell this other person what you need to tell them. Tell about yourself. Tell about what your hopes are and what your dreams are. And this is not the time to play it safe. This may be the time to take the leap of faith. And you will be glad that you did it, because if you are seeking a truthful relationship, that is the first step. So, letting this other person see your true self, your true nature, your true emotions, that is going to help you, and that is going to work in a magical way. By taking this risk, you are building a beautiful relationship based on trust and honesty. So you must take heart and take that leap of faith. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.